everyone. It's me, Artie, and today we are back with a new video. I have my friend Anthony.
What's up, dude?
And we're gonna do the FIFA 17 pack opener again. So let's go. First pack, we get Robin. That's actually pretty decent. I mean, no lie. Well, you want to open one? Why? No, it just backed out. Come on. I lost my 87 Robin. Fuck. Oh yeah, my screen is cracked, so sorry. Open packs. First pack, and we get a 84, which is trash as hell. Now this is my friend playing this game called Titanfall 2. This is the game.
It's a new type of game.
I'll record a little bit of this.
Fuck you.
So yeah, that is what he is playing. That's not me. That's him. Oh shit. Okay, let's see the next pack. Next pack, we get an 84 again. Wow. And then here's more of the Titanfall. And this man. You said you wanted to be in some parts of the video, so. And he did say he wanted to be in some parts of the video. And, oh, I got Pogba.
And then this guy again.
Still playing Titanfall 2. Alright, let's. Oh, I got a legend as well. No way. No, go. I got Pogba and a legend. No. Oh, what? Legend Larkson. What? Lars' son. Oh, we get an inform. Oh, I got an 86. That's decent.
Shit.
Got really nothing. The more Titanfall 2 with this man. Oh, guys! I wasn't recording this, but I got Team of the Year Ramos. What the hell? What? And if any of you guys play FIFA 17, tell me. Dude, what the hell? I should have been recording that. Okay. Maybe more pack up with this man. Oh, we got an 87 David Silva. I'll take that. I'll take that. Ooh, an 86. Anything? Nope.
I just got fire started.
And then here's the man again. Playing this. And oh, you got Vincent Company.
Ooh.
Hi. Okay. I'm hoping for Pele. I remember when I stopped recording last time, I got Pele, and ooh, I got Koscielny. And here's more Titanfall 2. See, and the weird thing is that you can spawn in your Titan. That's really weird. And then we got the focus concentration. He's concentrating as hard as balls.
My balls are actually swollen.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Anything you want to say?